Guys, good day and welcome back once again. Another crypto live session with Crypto with me. I'm your host Brian. And before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance are not guaranteed future result. Whatever buying, selling recommendation for the week, right? Please do your due diligence for investing into any kind of asset. And of course, for today, I will update you guys regarding about the airdrop for recap of this week and what to expect. Okay, for the upcoming airdrops that I'll be sharing with you guys for this week, and of course. Nonetheless, I will do the technical analysis first. So let me share my screen. Okay, so for technical side, what you can see here on the crypto market, on the total tree market cap, you can see excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right, the price of this index is continuing to rally higher. So the next resistance you might see at 673.45. Okay, and it looks set to continue higher. You can see this new monthly candlestick of March continue to have a green candle. So yeah, any chance of a pullback you might see at this lows here for pullback on the previous resistance or the previous support. Okay, at 511.99. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see also the trend is actually breaking towards the upside. You can see here momentum pullback for the entry buy breaking up again. Okay, so I think this could continue to rally. Okay, the weekly were to close as above the top B. So there could be another bullish momentum for the weekly time frame. Then moving on next to the daily. So the daily now is trending towards the upside. So no sign of stopping here for total tree. Again, everything is moving up. Again, but I feel that the market is being overheated and we do need to have a shake off, okay, a shake off of this correction. And of course, I believe everyone is over leveraging on their positions. Okay, so overall total tree is very, very bullish. Everything is up. Okay, look onto the dominance here, BTC dominance. So BTC dominance, what we can see here is that the setup, okay, is still monthly. So the monthly candlestick here. Okay, so the monthly candlestick here, we can see that the setup have closed as a bullish candle and it closed slightly above here, previous resistance. So for dominance, it's still quite bullish because BTC is still up. Okay, so just want to be careful there. So the dominance for the rally again, most likely the next level will be 58.19. Okay, might have a chance again, but if there's any chance of a pullback, we might see this level to be retested again at 23.94. Okay, so yeah, all eyes on the dominance. Okay, because BTC most likely they could continue to break higher. Okay, continue to break the all-time high very, very soon, or even early this month. So let's see, because on dominance here, you can see this market is bottoming out on this index at daily. So daily here have a nice momentum towards the upside. Now is having a pullback. So the pullback here is where you want to see a retest. Okay, coming back at 53.94. Now on H4, 4-hourly, we can see momentum pullback. And you can see we have a BB squeeze on H4. So daily there could be a sell to buy situation. Okay, for the dominance. All right. So that's my take here. So dominance, maybe there could be a slight pullback, and that's where the odds will take advantage of this position. Now on Ethereum against Bitcoin. So how is this thing is going to play out for this week? Okay, so what we can see on Monday is that the Monday is still maintaining sideways and is still rejected at the Monday sell zone. Okay, this is the critical support zone, right? So finally, it maintained around this level here for Ethereum against Bitcoin. So you can see this is a descending channel. So every time there's a descending channel like this, there could be a high chance where the market could break towards the upside. Okay, so just bear that in mind, there could be a high chance. But again, let's see how is Ethereum will outperform against Bitcoin. So on weekly, we have a nice momentum. Break past the top B, coming back down to retest again. So far, it's maintaining on the middle band. That is the most important thing. But on weekly, it's doing a bearish engulfing. Okay, so we're very, very careful. We'll continue to hit lower again and continue to retest all these moves at 0.05059. Okay, daily. Now, daily candlestick have broken below the middle band. So you know that it's downtrend again, back towards the downtrend on daily. Okay, H4, 4-hourly breaking down, momentum sell, pullback for the entry sell. Okay, so this is the crucial level to maintain on this. Okay, so yeah, overall you can see that the setup for Ethereum against Bitcoin, okay, the price is bearish at the moment. Okay, so you have to wait. Have to wait. Okay, then moving on next to BTC. Now BTC, what I'm saying right now on the Monday. So the Monday is creating another new Monday candlestick. Okay, new green candle. Now the last February candle, I think it did not close above this level, just slightly. Okay, it's closing below, exactly around this level, same level here, but not close above. That is the important thing. But what we can say, I think I would expect maybe for this March, could have at least a reversal candle or a retest or pullback. Okay, something similar. It might repeat this pattern. Okay, I think we've been running since October. September itself, a reversal candle, and then October all the way till now. How many green candles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months in a row, half a year. Half a year that the price of Bitcoin has been rallying non-stop and there's no signs of correction. So my take here is that on this much, I would expect maybe at least to have a reversal candle, okay, at least one. Okay, then we see on April again another reversal, but I could be wrong here and the price could continue to rally. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing with the ETF effect. So if there's any chance of a pullback, I might see Bitcoin at 47K. That would at least bring down Bitcoin to at least 20%. Okay, from the current price right now to 47K, 48K, or slightly below 50K, will at least take BTC with a discount of 20%. Okay, so that will be a huge opportunity for buying the dip opportunity. Okay, to get back at this level here. Now on weekly candlestick, what we can see is that the price on weekly is still very bullish. There's no sign of stopping, and looks like it's about to close above the top limit. So yeah, another bullish momentum. Okay, now on daily, what we can see is that there's a reversal candle form. Then maybe this Friday candle might close as a retest candle, and maybe you might see a short-term pullback again. Okay, so this short-term pullback, okay, maybe it might lead us all the way back to the middle band at 53K, but again, maybe it might not also, or it might have a short-term trace back and then continue again. Then look at H4. 4 hourly, you can see also, nice BB squeeze. Okay, you know that it's coming down. Can say it's lower high compared to the previous high. So the market is about to break down again, and then we might see this middle band to be tested at 60K, 60.2. Okay, the 60.2, and then this will be the reversal retest candle at 57.3. Okay, so these are the zones to watch for H4, right? Then Ethereum. So Ethereum have rallied all the way to 3521. Okay, 3521 was a high for this month or for month of February. Okay, and you can see right now it needs to maintain above here. But what happened? It rejected and it closed below this level here. So now the new monthly candlestick, okay, very important. Can it able to close above this level here at 3433? Okay, or if not, you might see a pullback will be around 2765. Okay, on this previous resistance turn is a support. So this will be the next support, 2765. Then on weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, you can see also there's a momentum candlestick, very bullish. Okay, so overall you can see the setup. It is super bullish. Okay, but if they're given a chance for a pullback, this level will be coming back at 2476. 2476 on the middle band here at 2324 for the weekly time frame. Okay, so of course, whatever goes up very fast will definitely end fast as well. But again, I think the pullback could be very nasty. If you are over leveraged, then you have to be very careful. Okay, but because this is crypto and it's highly volatile. So daily, what you can see is that it's a nice momentum buy. Now it's creating a reversal candle, a reversal, and then a retest candle. So you have to be very careful here, the wicks. Okay, my take here maybe for the weekend might continue to consolidate and then maybe to retest back on the previous resistance, and it will be at 3014 for daily time frame. Okay, so H4 time frame you can see already breaking down, but it's creating a higher high and higher low. So yeah, let's see. I think this weekend will be choppy, will be sideways. Okay. Okay, towards the weekend, I don't think there will be much volume unless there is some emergency. Okay, let's look at all these levels. 3256, 3355. Okay, so these are the zones to watch for H4. All right, so this is a technical side. I think everything is looking quite bullish at the moment, leading up to the weekend. So the weekend, I think, yeah, it will be either consolidating or price most likely to continue to rally again. All right, with BTC able to create a huge move, then alts also will continue to follow. All right, so yeah, that is the technical side. Now moving on next to the Airdrop. So Airdrop, very important, what is really happening on the ecosystem, especially for Solana. So Solana, especially for Parcl Limited. So Parcl is actually a real estate derivatives platform that allows you to long and short, that allows you to speculate on the real estate market. Okay, so if you think that the market is going down, you can short. If you think that the market is going up, you can long. Okay, so what happened is that they have announced that the tokenomics, okay, they have already announced that their own token, it is also known as PRCL, will be launched on April. So you have roughly about 1 more month to at least stand a chance to qualify for this airdrop. Okay, so what we can do is that you can able to provide liquidity. Okay, you can deposit a certain amount of USDC, okay, into their liquidity provider pool, okay, to qualify for the points. On top of that, you can also do trading. So the longer you hold, the longer you hold on your trades, the more points that you'll be getting on a daily basis. Okay, so this is the key there. You can either provide liquidity, you can either do trading as well. So 2 in 1. Okay, best you can do is both. Best if you can swing the trade and hold it. Okay, so this is the key here. And then this is a tokenomics. Okay, token supply will be 1 billion. Okay, to community will be about 7 to 8%. Okay, all right, so this is a key here. Okay, so right now they are already issuing the point system. So you have to hurry up and start to allocate some funds, some USDC, to stand a chance to qualify for this airdrop. Okay, so I think this is quite important because I believe Parcel is still underfarmed. Okay, with total users at the moment is about 110,000 users. Okay, so I think it is still underfarmed at the moment. So yeah, you have roughly about 1 more month to qualify. So try your best to allocate some USDC to park or to provide liquidity to increase your points. Okay, so this is the first one. And then moving on next, what you can see here is that for those who are staking Celestia, pyth network, or Jupiter, okay, I think the snapshot have already taken on the 29th of February. So what will you be getting for staking Celestia, pyth, and Jupiter? Okay, you'll be getting this token called Aark Digital. Okay, so if you stake at least 1,200 of pyth network or 100 units of Celestia, or at least 1,200 of Jupiter tokens, okay, by February 29, then you're entitled for this token. Okay, so congratulations. But again, I think the TGE or the claim have not go live yet. Okay, so this is Aark Digital, so you can be able to see what they are doing. Okay, so they are focusing on perpetual. So it's actually a derivatives platform that allows you to do trading. Okay, so this is Aark Digital. Okay, you can see the website here. So it's backed by Delphi Digital, OKX Ventures, and Big Brain VC. Okay, so they have already announced, and for those of you who have staked pyth, Jupiter, okay, and Celestia, then congratulations to you guys. So yeah, I'm just running through this website here. Okay, so this is their main website. Definitely, this is a very typical leverage platform. Okay, that you can be able to do your own trading. Okay, you can speculate on the pairs that you really want to trade, so you can start trading here. Okay, right. So this is the Aark Digital platform. Okay, derivatives trading platform for you to long or short. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. Then moving on next. Okay, so we have Zksync. Okay, have already snapshot. I think earlier this week, Zksync have already announced the snapshot have already been taken since 6th of February. No, this is not. This is for Arbitrum, isn't it? Arbitrum was last year, 6th February, but this is for Zksync. But I believe Zksync have already taken the snapshot earlier this week. Yeah, I think Monday or Tuesday, if not mistaken. So yeah, and of course you can see the people that participating, total about 5.8 million unique wallets. Okay, so unique wallets, okay, one user could be multiple. Okay, so that's the thing. And then here we can see if you were to compare with Arbitrum, we have about 2.7. This is double, almost double. Okay, but eligible address after category was 625,000. Okay, that's 23% of total. So for Zksync, which is about 23%, that would be 1.3 billion users. Oh, this is really, really huge. So, I mean, for you guys who have done so much on the Zksync protocol, then congratulations if you guys were to qualify. So yeah, these are the statistics and the expectations here on the Zksync airdrop. Okay, so yeah, for those of you who done this, then congratulations. Then all you need to do is just sit down, relax, and just wait for it. I think you guys should qualify. If you guys are early and you've been farming Zksync since last year, then I think you stand a chance rather than farming this year. Okay, so this is the one. And then moving on next. Now the next one will be also quite interesting and coming in from Wormhole. So Wormhole, I believe they will be announcing their token listing most likely will be on 19th of March. Okay, speculation is quite high that the token listing will be on 19th of March. Okay, so what you can see is that from BYBIT, they're already starting to allow users to trade Wormhole token, which is also known as W. Okay, you can be able to trade on your platform. Okay, so currently it is on the pre-market trading list. Okay, so it's still pre-market, so you haven't gone live yet. So when a token goes on a pre-market listing, then you know that the signs are already there that the token will be listing very, very soon. Okay, since they already launched on 1st of March, which is today. So you know that definitely they are going to launch their token maybe in a couple of days, or could be a couple of weeks, or could be much alone, because it is very, very soon. So we can see here on the website of BYBIT. So you can see the average trading price is at $2.2, $2.20. Okay, so you can see the potential. And then their airdrop allocation will be around 17% to community and users. Okay, that is really, really huge coming in from Wormhole, from this platform. Okay, Wormhole. Okay, and then of course with the 11% token generation event, TGE, they will be released out of the 17%. Okay, so with the current price at 2.2, I believe this is a huge, okay, huge potential. I think a lot of people will be making money, huge money on Wormhole by just interacting with the protocol on the cross-chain solution. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, Wormhole. So I believe you guys who started to farm since last year, around November or December, okay, I think you should stand a chance to qualify. Okay, I believe not many people are farming Wormhole. Okay, there are roughly about less than 100,000 address or users who are actually farming Wormhole. And I believe I'm also one of them who actually found Wormhole since the December, okay, last year December. So I believe maybe I will stand a chance to qualify for Wormhole as well. So yeah, I'm looking quite optimistic to qualify for this and looking quite confident. Okay, so let's see. I think March will be quite promising as well. There'll be a lot of token and projects they are going to list as well. Okay, so Wormhole is one of my top pick for this month. Okay, to be airdrop. Okay, I think it had to be this month already for March. Okay, moving on next. The next one also very, very important, coming in from the Scroll ecosystem, which is a layer 2 of Ethereum. Okay, so Ambient Finance, okay, is also a protocol under Scroll. So they have also announced this point system, recently announced this point system today itself. Okay, so you can able to start to use Ambient, okay, Ambient Finance. Okay, how you to qualify for this airdrop. You need to swap, okay, you need to do some swap. You need to provide liquidity. So the key thing here is to provide liquidity in order for you to gain more points. Okay, so this is the whole thing here. Provide liquidity, okay, on their liquidity pool, right? Like USDT against Ethereum, or Ethereum against USDC. So these are the things that you need to know. Okay, so ambient points have started. So this is season 1 is now live. So you might want to get started to fund in maybe about minimum of $100, okay, for this pool, so that you can stand a chance to qualify for Ambient. Okay, so I think this is quite promising as well. Okay, and you know that School also will be airdropping their token, maybe Q2, right, on a later stage. So this is Ambient protocol. Now, last but not least, we are seeing this is quite long since last year, December. I've mentioned to you guys to stake your objective to Black Panther and Tennis protocol, and finally, Black Panther have already announced their airdrop. And today is the day, 1st March, where you can able to claim your airdrop tokens, okay, the black token. So yeah, they've already released the statement. Okay, so yeah, so our airdrop for ninjas who have staked injective to our injective validator is now live. Okay, so head over to this website, on this site here, to claim. So remember, what you'll be getting is point. So 1 point equivalent to 1 black token. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so furthermore, you can see going forward, we'll be taking daily snapshots for people who continue staking with our validator for claim jobs in the near future. Wow, this is huge. So yeah, so you guys who have been staking since December, congratulations. Okay, so this is a time that you want to reap and harvest your reward from Black Panther. Okay, so I have not claimed yet, but this is the website. So you can start claiming, and you can start connecting to your wallet here. Okay, and you can see what is the amount that you get for staking under Black Panther, right? So these are the things that you want to take note. Okay, so overall, very, very promising for the month of March. I believe there are more airdrops will be coming in as well. So these are the things that are highlighting for this week. And once again, guys, thank you for your time, and I will update you guys once again next week, and have a great weekend, guys. See you.